While most of our friends had been in playgrounds, we were in the vacation. This was the beginning of 2 weeks of fun and learning, all which is now part of a small presentation for you. We are the juniors class in BBS 2014 and this is our story.
The story we will learn today is the story of a young boy named David. Long before he became the king of Israel, David was a shepherd boy who was a very special child of God.
దేవుడే దావీదు దుర్గము ధైర్యమే దావీదు బలము దేవుడే దావీదు దుర్గము ధైర్యమే దావీదు బలము ఆపద ఏదైనా శత్రువు ఎవరైనా దేవుని శక్తితో గెలిచెను ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓహో సింహమొచ్చెను తోక ముడిచెను ఎలుగుబంటి పరుగు తీసెను సింహమొచ్చెను తోక ముడిచెను ఎలుగుబంటి పరుగు తీసెను గొల్యాతు వచ్చెను విర్రవీగెను దావీదు చేతిలో చచ్చెను ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓహో దేవుని ఆజ్ఞకు లోబడెను దేవునికి ఇష్టుడిగా బ్రతికెను దేవుని ఆజ్ఞకు లోబడెను దేవునికి ఇష్టుడిగా బ్రతికెను దేవుడు మెచ్చెను ఆశీర్వదించెను దావీదు రాజుగా చేసెను ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో ఓ ఓహో
What are the customs that Jews follow?
God had a very special place for the people of Israel in his heart, and the Israelites had followed the customs that God had told them. For example, the Israelites placed a great deal of importance on their clothing. The clothing was not only to protect them from the elements, but also to exemplify the beauty that God had placed in them.
forward. This was to show that they were on the service of the guests with their heart, voice and mind. After bowing, the host would invite his guests inside and kiss them to honor them. Jewish guests removed their shoes before entering homes while the host washed their feet. Jewish host would then anoint the head of the guest with oil as a final act of welcome and honor. The Passover is celebrated to mark the sparing of the Jewish children in the land of Egypt. An unblemished lamb was offered as sacrifice and placed on the altar. At home, families gathered for a meal in the evening, with the elders explaining the importance of the festival to the young ones.
Thus, we learn of God's protection for the Jews and the celebration to mark this occasion. The Jews were very special people to God, and so are we. This is the lesson we've learned as juniors in this class. With these lessons in our heart, here we are signing off for VBS 2014. Thank you for watching.